Hi, my name is McKenna Harless, and I used to work at Wit, and now I own my own marketing agency, True North Strategies. I came to work at Wit. It's an interesting story. I grew up in the industry. My dad owned an HVAC company my entire life, and then I worked at another agency, and it was time for a change. It was time for a change in which I got to work with real, authentic people that cared not only about me, but about their contractors that they worked with. And that led me to Wit Digital. And I loved working there. It's a team of people that are passionate about helping contractors win, that are passionate about being strategic and being risky and doing and moving things that produce results for their contractors. And so from there, what my knowledge when I worked at Wit helped me propel to do was to start my own agency as a full virtual CMO for the trades. And so I love Wit and I love the work that they do, and I believe that they are the digital ad vendor for the trades. The three differentiators that I love about Wit and that I look for in a digital agency that I have found in Wit Digital is the fact that they are transparent. They're not going to give you fluffy numbers that show all of these green lines that are going to show you things that really have no value. Instead, what they're going to do is they're going to be results driven, and they're going to tell you exactly how it is so that you know exactly what's going on in your business and in your digital strategy. The second thing is they're not just throw your money at pay-per-click ads, throw your money away in the trash can to these digital ads. Instead, they want a holistic digital strategy that's going to benefit your business, not only in the short term, but in the long term. And then the third thing is that they're simple to work with. Instead of sitting down and getting a proposal that has 3 different tiers and you're gonna get 80 or however many keywords with each tier and this many blogs and just all these different complex things, it's simple. Their one goal, their one package is to help you win, and that's what they're gonna do.